If your team is still connecting over VPNs or sending files through old FTP servers, you already know the pain. Slow logins, dropped connections, security risk. These tools were not built for globally distributed, modern creative, or technical teams. And the bigger the file gets, the worse the workflow gets. Every time someone VPNs into your network to pull down a 50 gigabyte project file, you're burning hours. FTP isn't much better. Uploads crawl, connections time out, and your data is exposed in transit. This is infrastructure friction. And for fast-moving teams, whether you're building a game, editing video, or designing a city, it's a huge blocker. But there's a better way. Instead of tunneling into the office, bring the files into the cloud. LucidLink creates a shared file space that acts like a local drive, but lives in the cloud. No syncing, no downloading. Everyone opens and works on the same files instantly from anywhere. Let's take a look at how one of the largest architecture firms in the United States, Tortigalis and Partners, made the switch. They had teams spread across 3 US cities and Istanbul. Gigabyte-sized CAD and Revit files were stuck behind aging on-prem storage and VPN tunnels. Designers couldn't collaborate in real time. Even opening a file was painfully slow. After rolling out LucidLink, everything changed. Exponential speed improvements over VPN. One central file space replacing 7 network drives and a dozen data silos. Seamless access to 100 gigabyte plus design models from any location. $30,000 in annual savings on storage and infrastructure. Their CTO told us opening and saving files became super fast. The only thing that changed was how fast and easy work became. When infrastructure gets out of the way, your teams can finally focus on the work. No more uploading files overnight, tracking versions across silos, or relying on IT just to log in. LucidLink turns geography into a non-issue. You can staff projects based on skill, not location. VPNs and FTP were fine 20 years ago, but they were never designed for cloud-scale distributed teams. If you want fast, secure, real-time collaboration without the friction, it's time to leave them behind. Try LucidLink and build your workflow on infrastructure, not bottlenecks. Subscribe for more real-world setups that help modern teams work as if they were in the same room.